everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a Google Sheet using the latest 2026 method. Whether you want to collaborate with coworkers, classmates, friends, or family members, Google Sheets makes sharing fast and simple. Let's get started. First, open your web browser on your computer or laptop and go to *Sheets, Google.com*. Sign in to your Google account if needed, then open the spreadsheet you want to share. Once your Google Sheet is open, look at the top right corner of the screen and click the *Share* button. A sharing window will appear with several options. The first way to share your spreadsheet is by entering someone's email address. In the Add People and Groups * field, type the email address of the person you want to share the file with. If you're sharing with multiple people, you can enter more than one email address. Next, choose the permission level. Select Viewer * if you only want them to see the spreadsheet, *Commenter if they should be able to leave comments without editing, or Editor * if you want them to make changes to the spreadsheet. If you'd like, you can also include a short message that will appear in the email notification. When everything looks good, click *Send***. The selected people will receive an invitation to access your Google Sheet. Another way to share your spreadsheet is by using a link. In the same sharing window, locate the *** General Access * section. Click Restricted if you want to change who can open the file. You can switch it to anyone with the link if you want anyone who has the link to access the spreadsheet. Then choose whether people with the link can view, comment, or edit the file. After selecting the appropriate permission, click *Copy Link ***. You can now paste the link into an email, chat message, or anywhere else you want to share it. Before sharing, always double-check the permission settings to make sure you're giving the right level of access. If your spreadsheet contains important or private information, avoid giving edit access unless it's necessary. And that's it. That's how you share a Google Sheet in 2026. With just a few clicks, you can collaborate with anyone from anywhere. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more Google Sheets tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.